How to download and use Zotero. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find the library's Zotero guide and download Zotero to your computer, how to save sources in Zotero, how to add citations in Microsoft Word, and how to add a bibliography in Microsoft Word. Finding the library's Zotero guide and downloading Zotero to your computer. Begin by typing Zotero in the library's homepage search box. Scroll down to the Subject Guides box and click to access the Zotero guide. On the guide, you will see two download options. When you click the link above the two options, it will take you to the appropriate download option based on what browser you're using. If you're using Firefox, you will only need to download Zotero to your browser. However, if you are using any other browser, you will need to download Zotero from Windows/Mac and the browser connector/plugin. Click Download and follow the download prompts. Next, we'll install the Zotero connector/plugin. Don't skip this step, as the connector is what allows you to export sources you find online to your Zotero library. Saving sources. When saving sources to Zotero, make sure Zotero is open and running on your computer. To save a web page to your Zotero library, click on the Zotero icon at the top right of your browser. Zotero indicates when it is saving the web page to your Zotero library. You can choose to either save the web page to the main My Library or select the drop-down menu to save it to a folder. You can then open your Zotero library to make sure all the information Zotero captured is correct. It is recommended that you edit anything that is incorrect now. Otherwise, Zotero will cite the source incorrectly later on. Here's an example of how to save a book from the catalog to your Zotero library. Click the title of the book you want to save. Then go to the top right corner and click the Zotero icon. Note that this icon changes appearance based on the type of source you're saving. In our web page example, it looked like a web document. It now looks like a book. Again, it's important to check to make sure the details are correct in Zotero. Next, we'll save a journal article from one of our databases. Click on the title of the article. Click on the Zotero icon at the top right of the browser. And, just as we did before, check the Zotero entry. If any of the information collected in Zotero is incorrect, you can simply click on the field to edit. Adding citations in Microsoft Word. Before adding citations in Microsoft Word, you'll need to make sure you've installed the Microsoft Word add-in. To do so, go to your Zotero library. If you're using Windows, go to Edit at the top of the window and then select Preferences. If you're using a Mac, you'll find Preferences at the top of the window under Zotero. In Preferences, under Cite, select Word Processors and click to install the Microsoft Word add-in. I already have the add-in installed. Now let's talk about adding citations. In a Word document, put your cursor where you want to locate your in-text citation /footnote. Then, go to the Zotero tab at the top of Word. Click Add/Edit Citation and choose your citation style. A search bar will come up. Search the title/author of the source you want to cite. Click on the source and enter the page number if applicable. Let's try that again. And one more time. You'll notice I've used the three sources we saved earlier. Please note these were cited for demonstrations purposes only. The text showcase does not come from these sources. Adding a bibliography/reference list in Microsoft Word. Once you've entered your citations, Zotero can automatically generate a bibliography/reference list for you. Simply choose the page you want your bibliography to appear on. Then click Add/Edit Bibliography under the Zotero tab in Word. And there you go. Make sure you check each entry for errors. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about Zotero or other library resources, please send us an email at ref-desk@acadiau.ca.